Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. Negative 2x square, positive 8x, negative b over a equals to 0. In the equation above, a, b and c are positive constants. The product of the solutions to the given equation is 5 over 7. The number b is 64% less than the number c. The number a is p% less than the number c. What is the value of p? Okay, here we have a quadratic equation in standard form. Okay, when we have a quadratic equation standard form, there is a formula to get the product of the two solutions. I mean the product of two values of the variable x in this equation. Okay, now let me consider a quadratic equation standard form, that is ax square positive bx positive c equals to 0. Okay, now the formula to get the product of two solutions equals to, we have to divide the constant term c by the coefficient of x square, that is a. Okay, now let's consider this particular piece of information. That is the product of the solutions to the given equation is 5 over 7. Okay, here we have the product of two solutions, that is 5 over 7. Okay, now we can use a formula over here in this quadratic equation. So here we have to consider the constant term. The constant term in the given quadratic equation is negative b over a. So let me write it. It has to be divided by the coefficient of x square. Here the coefficient of x square is a negative 2. So let me write over here equals to 5 over 7. Okay, here this negative sign will cancel out, and also we can consider this 2 as a 2 over 1. Okay, here we divide a fraction by another fraction. Now what we can do is we can take the fraction in numerator as it is, that is b over a. Now we can change this division as a multiplication. Then we have to get reciprocal for this one. The reciprocal of 2 over 1 is 1 over 2 equals to 5 over 7. Okay, now let me multiply both sides of the equation by 2 to get the denominator 2 over here. Then this 2 will cancel out. B over a times 1 is b over a. On the right side, 5 times 2 is 10. That is, we get 10 over 7. Okay, now let me consider this particular piece of information. That is, the number b is 64% less than the number c. That is, b equals to, since b is 64% less than the number c, we have to subtract the 64 from 100. That is 100 negative 64 percentage times c. Okay, here when I subtract 64 from 100, I am getting 36. That is 36% times c. And here we can write this 36% as a fraction. That is 36 over 100 times c. Or we can write c over here. That is 36c over 100. Now let me consider this particular piece of information. That is a number a is p% less than the number c. So the same thing we can do. That is a equals to 100 negative p percentage times c. Okay, here we can write this percentage as a fraction. Then we get 100 negative p over 100 times c. We can write the c over here. Okay, here I got the stuff for that is equal to b. That is b equals to 36c over 100. And for a, we have 100 negative p times c divided by 100. Okay, now what we can do is that we can plug in this one for b over here and this one for a over here. Okay, now let me do it. Then I'm getting 36c divided by 100 divided by 100 negative p times c divided by 100 equals to 10 over 7. Okay, here we can write this fraction as it is, that is 36c over 100. Now let's change this division as multiplication. Then we have to get reciprocal for this one. Then we get 100 divided by 100 negative p times c. Okay, here 100 goes into 100 one times and 100 goes into 100 one times, and c will cancel out. On the right side, we can write this value 10 over 7 as it is. Now 36 times 1 is 36. In denominator, we have 100 negative p. That is 1 times 100 negative p is 100 negative p equals to 10 over 7. Okay, now in my next step, I am going to take reciprocal on both sides of this equation. When I take reciprocal for this one, I am getting 100 and negative p divided by 36. On the right side, when I take reciprocal for this 10 over 7, I am getting 7 over 10. 100 negative p divided by 36 equals to, when I divide 7 by 10, I am getting 0.7. Okay, now let me multiply both sides of this equation by 36 to get the denominator over here. Okay, let me multiply by 36 on the left side, on the right side also by 36. Okay, here this 36 will cancel out. Then I'm getting 100 negative P equals to, when I multiply 0.7 and 36, I'm getting 25.2. Okay, now let me subtract 100 from both sides of this equation. Then this positive 100, negative 100 will cancel out. I'm getting negative P on the left side. When I simplify on the right side, I'm getting negative 74.8. Okay, here to get rid of the negative sign, we have to multiply both sides of this equation by negative 1. When I multiply this negative P by negative 1, I am getting P. On the right side, when I multiply this value by negative 1, I am getting positive 74.8. Okay, here I got the value of P, it is 74.8.